Welcome to the world of explaining ideas. We take an input and process it to get a great output.
Being constantly accessible is not a virtue. It is a direct tax on your cognitive battery. Every ping, quick question, or social media notification forces your brain to pay a mental transition fee. Each interruption quietly steals your willpower and exhausts your ability to make good decisions. The game has shifted from time management to attention management. The world's highest performers protect their attention with radical selectivity. They aren't rude. They're protecting the most valuable resource they have. Your brain burns 20% of your body's daily calories. Decision fatigue is the invisible cost of making too many unnecessary choices. Protect your decisions so they can be spent on what truly matters. Environment design beats willpower every single time. Successful people intentionally create communication friction because fewer interruptions make focus almost effortless. While you sleep, your brain begins its own nightly cleaning process. Brain cells physically shrink so cerebrospinal fluid can wash away waste. Think of it as your brain's nightly dishwasher cycle.
Why is it so heavy today? I don't even know where to begin.
Poor sleep leaves yesterday's mental clutter behind. Follow the 80-20 communication rule. Treat most incoming messages as expensive noise. Double down on the conversations that actually move your life forward. The most successful people aren't hard to reach. They're simply easy to distract no longer.